in pairs or groups, often associating with the larger orange-fronted parakeet, favoring patches of forest and open country when searching for food. It feeds on a variety of foods, most notably fruits and seeds, but may also eat flowers, herbs, nectar, insects, or algae. Like other parrots, it may feed on mineral-rich mud. It makes a variety of calls, mostly harsh and continuous, but with some more musical notes added. Captive pairs reportedly duet. I am waiting for your next visit. See you soon, and take care of your family.